comparison, where we will understand the concepts of greater than, smaller than and equals to. Greater than, smaller than and equals to. So first, let's understand what does comparison mean in maths. So it says comparison means to evaluate if a number is greater than, smaller than or equals to the other number. You will get two numbers at a time. You have to compare which number and you have to identify which number is greater than the other number, which number is smaller than the other number, or if both the numbers are equal to each other. Now, which is the sign of greater than and which is the sign of smaller than? Because you know, both these signs, they look like the mirror image of each other. So for that, we have Mr. Alligator with us. And he told us that both these signs are not two, they are one. And these signs are actually the open mouth of this alligator. Also, this alligator told us that he always opens his mouth towards a bigger number. Means if a bigger number is written in right hand side, the alligator will open his mouth towards right hand side. If the bigger number is written at left hand side, the alligator will open his mouth at left hand side. So to check if what he is saying is correct or not, I gave him two numbers and they were 15 and 20. So what Mr. Alligator did? He actually opened his mouth towards 20, which is actually a bigger or a greater number. And this can be written like this as well, because this sign is actually the open mouth of this alligator. And this sign is open towards a bigger number, a greater number, which is 20. So this can be said as 20 is greater than 15 or 15 is smaller than 20. Now, I again gave two numbers to Mr. Alligator and they were 10 and 9, and this time I gave a bigger number on the left hand side. And what he did? He opened his mouth towards a bigger number this time again. And this can be written as this. So it says that 10 is greater than 9 or 9 is smaller than 10. Now we know that this sign, both these signs, this is not 2, but this is one sign and it always opens towards a greater number. If greater number is written on left hand side, it will open to that side. If greater number is written on right hand side, this sign will open towards that side only. Now, this is all about the sign of greater than and smaller than. Now, how to identify which number is greater or which number is smaller? So for that, first I have this number line here. Now if we have to identify, if we have to compare two numbers on a number line, how to do that? Let's. I have two numbers here, 3 and 8. Whenever we have to compare two numbers on a number line, first of all we will circle those numbers on the number line. So first I have circled 3 here and then 8 here. Now what to do? Number on right side is always greater than the other number. Whenever we have to compare two numbers on a number line, the number on the right hand side will always be greater than the other number. So here 8 is on the right hand side. So 8 is greater than 3, or we can say 3 is smaller than 8. Right? Next, let's do it once again. We have number line here and this time our numbers are 5 and 10. Let's circle 5 here and 10 here. Now as I told you that on number line, the number on right hand side will always be greater or bigger than the other number. So here 10 is on the right hand side. So 10 is greater than 5, or we can say 5 is smaller than 10. Now this is all about comparison of number on a number line. Now if we have to compare the numbers without number line, like this. If not on number line, then compare their place values. If the numbers are not written on a number line, we have to compare them through their place values. So here we have some numbers and their place values are written. So let's compare them one by one. First we have 8 and 4. Both of them, they are in ones column. Now when a number is in ones column, it's very simple to compare them, because we know this we can do on our finger as well, that 8 is a greater number, 8 is a bigger number than 4. So this sign, it says 8 is greater than 4 or 4 is smaller than 8. Now we have two digits here. This is 56, where 6 is for ones and 5 is for tens. In 96, 6 is for ones and 9 is for tens. Now when we have greater number, a number which is more than 10, how to compare them? First we will compare their ones value. Here in ones it's 6 and this is also 6. So it's same, we cannot say which number is bigger or which number is smaller. Now let's compare their tens value. Here tens value is 5 and in 96 tens value is 9. So 9 is always greater than 5. So it means 96 is greater than 56, or 56 is smaller than 96, because 96 is a bigger number. So this sign is opening towards 96. Now next number is 340 and we have to compare this number with 360. Again we will repeat the process. At ones place we have 0 and 0, they are same. Now let's compare tens value. This is 4 and this is 6. So 6 is greater than 4. So we can say that 360 is greater than 340, or 340 is smaller than 360. Now our last numbers, 621 and 621. Let's compare them. Okay, at ones place we have 1 here and we have 1 here as well. Now let's compare the tens value. In tens we have 2 here and here also we have 2. And at hundreds place we have 6 and here also we have 6. So at all the places, all the digits in both these numbers are same. It means this number is equals to this number and this number is also equals to this number. So I'm sure with this the concept of comparison is clear to you. That's all from Ghar Ka Gurukul today. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.